Alright everybody, I hope you're doing well. I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. And I realized that I probably made this spine bigger than I needed to, but that's alright. We can expand. I was thinking about maybe putting an expanding pocket on each side to put stuff in, but anyway, today we're going to sew in our one signature, and the first thing we need to do is punch our holes, and I really want to measure this one. I want to make sure I know where the center is. I want my spine to look really nice and even today. So we have, let's see, I would say we are about 4 3/4 from the, so I'm equal distance from this side and this side, so I'm going to put a little dot where my 0 is, and then I think I'll go up 3 inches here and 3 inches here, and that's where our stitching is going to be. The next thing I need to do is poke holes. Now normally I poke through into like a floral foam thing, but it kind of disintegrated and I keep forgetting to get another one. So I'm going to poke it right through like this. My paper is pretty stiff. I think it should be fine. And then I just have to measure the center and then 3 inches up on my spine. And actually, it might be easier to do it this way. May not be exactly center. Actually, I do want to find out where the center is. I forgot. I want it to be exactly in the center of my spine. So, I need my other glasses. It's hard for me to see through all this fabric, or see the numbers through all the fabric, and I believe, okay, so there's my center, but where is my center this way? So I'm going to guess right there. And this is going to, there might be a better way to do this. I don't know. Alright, we're going to pull this out now. Line up my holes. And hopefully we get these straight. I think that's good. Alright. So let's get the holes punched through here, which won't be a problem. The problem, however, is seeing them when you're sewing. Fabric spines kind of are a little hard to see. I feel like that one I did off. Need to move it over a little bit, maybe. I don't know. Let's see now. Usually I have been using waxed linen thread, but I feel like it builds up in the buttonholes and makes the buttons harder to slide, maybe. I'm drinking my hibiscus tea. It's good for the heart. So I'm going to try embroidery floss and see if it's easier to slide my buttons around. I don't know why I always torture myself with buttons, but I do. So I'm going to put these in the order that I want them, because then I'll remember. Green, green, orange, orange. This says something on it. Katie. I think I'm going to turn them over. The yellow ones do too. But I think I want to show the sides that don't have anything on them. So this is my top and my bottom. And now we gotta get our thread the right size. 1, 2, 3. That's approximately 3 sizes, 3 lengths of my book. I usually end up with extra. That's okay. Threading the needle is the hard thing to do. Okay, I'm going to try this one. Once you get these in, you don't want to let them fall out, that's for sure. But I do. Trying to make it as flat as I can. And I'm going to thread my needle off camera because this is going to take a while. No, I got it right on the next try. I could have filmed it. But the first thing we're going to do is go in the center hole, make sure my everything is the right side up. I don't think it matters with the cover. If it does, oh well. I don't notice any difference in which way the cover goes. Okay, so we're going to come through, leave our tail, and start with the buttons. So we're going to put, now all these buttons are identical except these two are slightly different colors, so I couldn't find exactly the same colors. So we're going to do this and go through, and I will speed this up. You can slow it down if you want to get a better look at it. We've got to put all our buttons on first, and then we go through the hole on the bottom. The next one is going to be yellow. I hear the sirens. I'll tell you what, yesterday it was 76 degrees on October 21st, and that's crazy. Today it's supposed to be even warmer, which is also crazy. I'm hoping I have enough space for all these buttons. I think I do. I think I will. I just love how buttons look on spines. I'm losing my thread here. I gotta pull it through. It is my favorite spine decoration that I know how to do. I know I've seen, like, Joanna Clow has new journals out, and she has sewn like little patches on hers. That's cute too. Green. So I've only got one signature, which makes me happy because doing this so many times is really hard. We've had 3 signatures or 4. Let's make sure we have enough space here. Turn my buttons all the right way. Oh yeah, is there? No, maybe not. Oh yeah, plenty of space for one more little button. I'm running out of duplicate buttons to make my, you know, everything identical on my spines, but what are you going to do? Okay, that's going to give me plenty of space to go back through. Luckily with the, since I put, oh, gotta pull this back out. With the fact that I put, because I put cardstock under the fabric, the holes aren't disappearing as if it were just fabric. Like, it's really difficult to do when it's just fabric, and it went through. Okay, whoops, do not fall off my needle. Let's see. Looking good. All right. Pull that just a little bit tighter. And, is it tight enough? I feel like it needs to be a little tighter. So I have to move my buttons all the way up to the top, and then pull this thread more than this one. And then it should be good. Still loose, still a little loose. There. All right, so now we're going to go in the top hole. I think I need to poke it again. Okay. I hope you all are having a beautiful day wherever it is you may be. I plan on being outside today. Still right now a little chilly, but I did walk the dog. And it's starting to get warm. I had to unzip my jacket. Okay, so the next button is going to be this one. And we're going to just do it in the opposite order so that we did the bottom buttons. Oh no, I did it wrong. Oh no. Okay, I have to put in this button first because I don't want it to be the same. I want this button next to this button. Oh, I hope I can get this through without having to thread my needle again. Maybe if I do it like this, will that work? Yes! Good thing the buttonholes were big enough. So the next one that I have to do is going to be orange. So there's my orange, and I need to make sure I'm not pulling my tail out. I still have a tail, so that's good. Next one is going to be green. Oh, no. Oh, I dropped it. Ugh. I think I have another one somewhere. Oh my god. Here's another red one. Is it the same? Yes. Thank goodness. I must have rolled under my desk. Oh gosh. Did you see that? I wasn't paying attention, and I let it go. Oh well. Now I have to thread my needle again. Will it work, or will I have to pause? No, I think I'm going to have to pause. Yep. Next is my yellow button. It wasn't that difficult to get it threaded again, thank goodness. And then next, after that, is the last one. I have to say that sewing buttons in the spine makes me really nervous. I don't know. It gives me anxiety, even though I keep choosing to do it because it's so pretty. Alright, so let's get all our buttons in a row here, where they belong. And now I have to go back through the hole, which is the hardest part of all, in the center. Because I don't want to go through the thread. I think so far it looks pretty good, but I think I didn't go through the right hole. Oh boy. Back to the drawing board. What's this one? Okay. I'm going to have to needle or thread my needle again. And hopefully that had to have been the right hole because it went through. It went through the thread. Okay. Alright. See if I can do it on camera. Ooh, it went in and then came back out. Oh gosh. Yay! Okay. Back through the same hole. Okay, it is moving. So, yeah, good. Alright. Okay, now I have to get it through this hole. And I think it's okay. I'm not going to take the needle out yet until I make sure we're tight enough. Okay. Okay, it's definitely good. This one's a little loose though. Can you see that? Okay. There, that's better. Now they're looking good. So we'll tie our knot. Take the thread off, or the needle off. Get one underneath here. Okay. Still tight enough. I think I bumped you. Sorry. Okay. So called my daughter. I call her every night at 8:30. Last night she was excited because they had a little birthday party for her at her house. So that was nice. She got new shoes. And something else, but she couldn't remember, she said. So there we have it. Isn't that beautiful? I mean, honestly. It just makes the spine look so great. I was thinking also of putting tassel, but I don't want to cover up the button, so if I do, there's like a glob of glue on this one, though. I don't like that. Don't like that glob of glue showing. I would just make this shorter if I decide to put that on there or not. But anyway, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, I realized I didn't show you the pages, so I can do that. So on some of the white pages, I have a couple of Halloween-ish papers that I can put on top for the Halloween's pictures and stuff that I take. But anyway, that's it. So how many pages was that? Let's do that again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. So that's 44 pages. That's plenty for November. And we'll go into the December journal that I had made a long time ago, and I just want to use it up. And then we'll figure out after that what's going to be next. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.